This recipe is for the best chewy chocolate chip cookies. Ingredients for 12 cookies. Half cup of granulated sugar, 100 grams, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 165 grams, 1 teaspoon of salt. Half cup of unsalted butter, 115 grams melted. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 155 grams. Half teaspoon of baking soda. 4 ounces of milk or semi-sweet chocolate chunks, 110 grams. 4 ounces of dark chocolate chunk, 110 grams, or your preference. In a large bowl, whisk together the sugars, salt, and butter until a paste forms with no lumps. Whisk in the egg and vanilla, beating until light ribbons fall off the whisk and remain for a short while before falling back into the mixture. Sift in the flour and baking soda, then fold the mixture with a spatula. Be careful not to overmix, which would cause the gluten in the flour to toughen, resulting in cakier cookies. Fold in the chocolate chunks, then chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. For a more intense toffee-like flavor and deeper color, chill the dough overnight. The longer the dough rests, the more complex its flavor will be. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Scoop the dough with an ice cream scoop onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Leave at least 4 inches or 10 centimeters of space between cookies and 2 inches or 5 centimeters of space from the edges of the pan so that the cookies can spread evenly. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges have started to barely brown. Cool completely before serving.